So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Face ID not working after iOS 17 latest update. Face ID looking like a disable. So in this video I will show you how you can fix that issue if you're also facing this kind of issue in your iPhone low. So let's start video without wasting any time and firstly move to the first solution. The first solution is make sure your iPhone is updated latest iOS update. To check that, open iPhone settings, tap on general, tap on software update. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone and your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS. If that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay. If that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone Face ID. Make sure your iPhone Face ID is turned on because sometime after iOS update, it will automatically disable. To check that, open iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode, enter phone passcode, and then make sure your iPhone Face ID is enabled from that section. Okay, you can see this time this iPhone Face ID is disabled automatically. Just turn it on and then go back. Okay, if that method is also not working for you and you're still facing Face ID is disable issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is reset your iPhone Face ID. To do that, open iPhone setting again. Okay, tap on Face ID and passcode. Okay, then scroll down, you can see appears on screen reset Face ID. Done the reset Face ID, and after that you can easily enable your iPhone Face ID and you will fix that your iPhone Face ID not working. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone, connect nearest Apple store, they will fix that issue. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone Face ID not working after iOS 17 update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.